presenting a pre-owned 2010 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include speed-sensitive volume control, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.